What is up, you guys? This is Hector here, and today for another Pokemon unboxing, I'm doing the Cosmic Eclipse booster box. Now, this is going to be my first booster box opening, and also I hope you guys are having a lovely Christmas this year. I'm certainly having a lovely Christmas, and I hope you get lots of cheer and family around you. No, seriously, it's all about the presents, isn't it? Nah, I'm joking. Yes, I won't be able to put a link to this because I get it on Christmas Day, so yeah, you're gonna have to figure it out yourselves, guys. Also, I will give a brief shout out. I will not be doing the Christmas special unboxing videos because I've barely got any Pokemon products to open up, and I obviously cannot stand waiting for that long or getting every Pokemon stuff I got or received this year just for a Christmas special. So yep, I'm also getting that, and also another brief briefing. If you guys want to have the code cards from this booster box, all you have to do, like the video. All you have to do is 3 things, and you're entered, and it will end on. You know what? I'm gonna be nice. It will end on New Year's. As soon as it hits 2020, the deal's gone. So I want you guys to have subscribed, like the video, comment down below. What is your favorite Pokemon? That's it, and you're entered, and you will get entered the code card giveaway. Right, let's take a look at and read the back of the box. Right, a supreme cosmic of stars and Pokemon. At the apex of the Sun and Moon special, the Pokemon TCG Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse expands on. I can't even read that because of the Pokemon thing. Connection of Pokemon and trainer, and it launches tag team. I can't read that, to new levels, jump into etc. with Charizard and Braixen GX, Venusaur and Snivy GX, and Blastoise and Piplup GX, and Solgaleo and Lunala GX. Along with the triple tag team of Arceus and Dialga and Palkia GX, plus many more. Through the stellar power of Pokemon with the Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse expansion. Oh shit! Yeah, this just completely fucking destroyed my background. But without further ado, let's open this and looky here. We've got plastic wrapping around it, so we can open this a lot easier. And my Pikachu just fell over. Yo, Pikachu. I'm just gonna put him somewhere because he's not doing the world any good. I'm gonna have to open this off camera because I don't want the camera shaking, and I got it opened. But it's only on a little mini tripod. The plastic wrapping's off, and I think I know how to do this. I've seen so many things of this. Oh, look at that beauty. 37 packs. And I think they're also coordinated, so we're gonna have to mix them up. So, oh my god. Look at that. But you get 2 stacks. Right, so we're gonna have to mix them up a little bit. Or we can just do them pattern art. Let's do the pattern arts. But sadly this ain't gonna. Let's put it back like this. There we go. And also move the camera just a tiny bit this way. There we go. Right, let's do them pack coordinated, like pack art, which should be not a problem, and I don't think it should affect the rarity either. And I think they're all going to be even as well. So let's do this. I think we're going to have more Arceus than anything else, but that I think seems to be even so far. Who remembers that song? The final countdown. Yep, as I predicted, we're gonna have more Arceus. Right, let's go through right to left. So at the start, we got the trio Pokemon. And of course, we're gonna have to deal with the booster pack sealed with cement. Right. I can find the. There we go. So you guys don't know what I've got. Right. At the start, we got a Fighting Energy, Beastite, Lileep, Jolteon, Ralts, Sandygast, Spheal, Cottony, Rowlet, a reverse holo of a Rapidash, and that's a reverse rare. And our final card is a Reshiram and Zekrom GX. Haha, that's a first GX card report, and also I'm making a deck out of this as well. Just wow. And that's the card I needed as well. And that goes in the sleeve, and sadly we're gonna have to put them on the side because of the booster box and obviously packs being in the way. And also I can't be bothered to move them out the way, but no, Reshiram and Rapidash. First pull. That is amazing. And also this video will be a very long video as well, as you can tell by the thing when you clicked on it. Right. Oh shit. Right, at the start, we've got the Electric Energy. Oh fuck. Look at the cut on top compared to the bottom. What the fuck? That is badly cut card. Mano and Lula, Probass, Igglypuff, Sneasel, Natu, Trapinch, Spheal, Pantomime, a reverse holo for Beware, and that's another reverse rare. And the final card is a Bravery, regular rare. Well, that's another reverse rare. So that goes right in there. I don't know where to put them. Actually, let's move this pack a bit back a little bit. And let's actually put the good pulls in the front here. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. Right, another trio pack. I think I need to stop saying that because we've got a lot of these. We've got a lot of these trio packs. Shit. Right. Mine's getting tired already. Right, at the start we got Grass Energy, Maui, Dusclops, Lovesta. I think it's Lovesta. I don't know. Ew, I think I pulled it before. Yeah, I think I did. Plavana, Tupig, Togedemaru, Onyx, a reverse holo of the Heliolisk of the Evolution, and that's a reverse rare again. And our final card is Flygon GX. That's another great pull right there. I pulled a rainbow version of this. Wow, and it has to cover the cards in front as well, so which is a bit sad. But no, I'm liking the pull rate. Right, we haven't barely gone through the booster box yet, which is a bit weird. Right, at the start we got Electric Energy, Type Null, Heracross, Aquanade, Ponyard, Litleo, Nosepass, Snorunt, a reverse all over Ponyard, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Weezing, regular rare. That's actually my first Weezing out of my whole Pokemon unboxing. Yeah, I know, weird. Wait, why am I sleeving this Ponyard? You know what? I'm gonna chuck the booster packs on the floor because they're gonna get in my freaking way. There we go. Another booster pack. Of course, we've got plenty. I'm sorry guys, I'm just too excited. This is my first booster box opening. Of course, I'm gonna be excited. Oh shit. Right, at the start we got Fairy Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Roxy, Litio, Nosepass, Snorunt, Rockruff, a reverse holo of a Pignite, and that's a reverse. Is that a reverse rare? That is a reverse uncommon. I can't tell because of the color of the card. And the final card is a Whimsicott, regular rare. Right. Well, at least you can open these a lot more quicker now, which I'm happy to see. Right, at the start we got a Fighting Energy, Tangrowth, Lily's Full Force, Clay, Carvana, T-Pig, Togedemaru, Onyx, Whelmer. Ooh! A secret rare Mimikyu, and you think this is not secret rare? It is apparently. Because look at the star there and the numbers. If you guys can see that, I don't know. So that's a hit, and the final card is a Seismitoad. I had to think of his name there. But that deserves a sleeve. Definitely. Alright. This pack now. Right, at the starter goes Steel Energy, Dartrix, Lily's Full Force, Ends Resolve, Swirlix, Balloon Grimer, Slugma, Chimcho, Cosmog, a reverse holo of a Cynthia and Caitlyn, and that's a reverse rare, but I'm not going to count it as a reverse rare. And the final card is a Oozering, regular rare. Because technically every reverse trainer is technically a rare. I'm gonna have to open this off camera. What the? Again with the cement booster packs. Fucking hell! I think the child might lose his fucking fingers off opening these. Right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh shit, that's 4. Right, let's play the energy game. I was thinking electric. Fairy Energy. Gloom. Lana's Fishing Rod. Chaotic Well. Time Pole. Flababe. Or Bebe. Aladdin Sandshrew. Ponyta. Sunkern. A reverse holo of a Chincho, and that's a reverse common, and a final card is a Swoobat. Mega rare. Now we can go for this packs now. Pack art. So Galio and Lunala. Right, at the start we go Psychic Energy. Oh, Misty and oh god. Misty and Lollery, I think it is. Anorith. Kricketune. Tangela. Dusknoll, Timepole, Piplup, Cosmog, a reverse holo of a Olmado, and that's a reverse rare. And the final card is a Mimikyu, regular rare. Well, that's a hit. I can't imagine us just pulling all that and that's it, it's gone. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to come with more ultra rares. I know how much of a booster box rating is. I think it's about 5 ultra rares, 6 ultra rares, including secret rares and all that. So no, it just can't be that it. Right, at the start we got Grass Energy, Roller Skater, Clefairy, Pignite, Rufflet, Oddish, Rocks, Sandygast, Steel, a reverse holo of a Vibrava, and that's a reverse uncommon, and a final card is a Whale Lord, regular rare. I'm sorry if you can't just hear me breathing, like going, sighing, like, it's just because my arms hurt. Of course, we got a censored Pikachu covering its bit. There it is. Right, at the start we got Fighting Energy, Guzma and Hola, Propass, Torkoal, Censored Pikachu, Stuffle, Poliward, Litio, a reverse holo of a Florges, and that's another reverse rare, Jesus Christ. And the final card is a Hillisc, regular rare. Well, that's another hit. Oh shit. Right. Start we got Electric Energy, Absol, Lily, Rotom, Golett, Dewpider, Helioptile, Carvana, T-Pig. Oh, reverse holo of a red and blue card, and that's a reverse rare. And the final card is a full art Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff GX. And that is another hit right there. I think everyone likes this card as well too. Jesus Christ. I know it doesn't seem happy about it, but because I've seen it so many times, it's not a surprise. Right. Another Ninala and Solgaleo. Booster pack. And what do we get? We do not know. Only you can tell me we know. Right, at the start we got a Dark Energy, Sharp, Tropius, Mimikyu, Eevee, Flabebe, Sneasel, Natu, Trapinch, a reverse holo of a Sunflora, and that's a, oh shit, reverse rare. And a final card is a Silvally GX. Huh, not too bad. This boost box is not doing too bad. Because I pulled Silvally already, GX. Huh, that's the second version. Right, come on. There we go. The code cards always seem to be difficult to come off, isn't it? Right, at the start we got a Fire Energy, Hackmomomo, Herdier, Cilio, Sprout, Censored Pikachu, Stuffle, Ponyard, Litio, a reverse holo for Flabebe, and that's a reverse common. And the final card is a Emboar, regular rare. Right. Oh shit, I thought I was going to fly out my hands then. The bloody cards. For God's sake, I keep grabbing the bloody edge of the card. Right, at the start we got Fire Energy, Mallow, Kricketune, Curdia, Teddiursa, Golett, Dewpider, Ew, Carvana, a reverse holo of a Alolan Grimer, and that's a reverse common. And the final card is Arceus and Dialga and Palkia Tag Team GX. Now this is the card everyone's after, and I do not blame them. I pulled the mascot, I think it's the mascot of the the Cosmic Eclipse set. How many GX we just pulled so far? About 5. And we've still got a long way to go. Right, at the start we got Grass Energy, Floet, I think it's called, Zangoose, Vaporeon, Cricketop, Apom, Rubat, Ducklet, Swirlix, a reverse holo of a Whelmer, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Beware, regular rare. Solgaleo, and the last pack of Solgaleo and Lunala pack now. Wait, where's that code card? There it is. Right, at the start we got Fighting Energy, Trappist, Togedemaru, Absol, Drawber, Tangela, Eevee, Ducksnow, Typo, a reverse holo of a Police Sand, and that's another reverse rare. And the final card is Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff GX. So that's 2 of them I pulled. This booster box is insane. I think I'm gonna need more sleeves. Jesus Christ. I don't know, I think I lost count how many. And we still got all these shit, look. We still got all this. You know what, I'm going for Blastoise and Piplup. I'm gonna leave Arceus and the others behind. That just shredded like wrapper or paper. Right, at the start we got Fairy Energy, Delmice, Island Challenge Onlet, Curlia, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Corvana, Chimcho, Azrael. Oh, a secret rare Torkoal, and that's a hit. And the final card is a Sunflora, regular rare. Yeah, we're gonna need more gold sleeves. But no, that's a hit. Oh shit. Again, I thought the cards were gonna, like, you know, spray out everywhere. Like spiders. That's a bit weird. Right, at the start we got Psychic Energy, Zangoose, Gloom, Celio, Cotney, Rowlet, Phantom, Little Grimer, Magnemite, a reverse holo of a Sunkern, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Groudon. Regular rare. And you might, the reason why I sounded surprised because of Groudon, because obviously that's a theme deck of Groudon, you know, the regular rare card. Next we're gonna get freaking I forgot it's called, what's his name now? Kyogre. There you go. Right at the start we got Water Energy, Apom, Lana's Fishing Rod, Vaporeon, Mario, Snorunt, Rockruff, Deerling, Teddiursa, a reverse holo of a type Null, and that's a reverse uncommon apparently. And the final card is a Polisand, regular rare. Again, that just shredded open. Yeah, I think all my GX pulling now is just gone. Let's start, we got Fairy Energy, Lily's Pokédoll, Togedemaru, Great Catcher, Spheal, Pansamine, Rowlet, Lillipup, Skrelp, a reverse holo, a secret rare of a and that's a hit. And the final card is a Empoleon. I think his name Empoleon. I pulled so many cards of this, it's unbelievable. Right, another booster pack. Oh look, the code card is right at the back. Right, at the start we got Fire Energy, Flareon, Roller Skater, Clefairy, Flabebe, Legend Sentru, Ponyta, Sunkern, Cosmog, a reverse holo for Natu, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Entei, regular rare. Oh shit, we're getting a lot of sorted of Blastoise and Piplup booster packs now. Right, at the start we got Electric Energy, Professor Oak's setup, Pig Knight, Unidentified Fossil, Natu, Trapinch, Spheal, Pantomime, Rowlet, a reverse holo of a Cos Mom, and that's a reverse uncommon, and the final card is a Heliolisk, regular rare. Yeah, I think my GX plings are now like disappeared, like gone from existence. Right, at the start we got Steel Energy, Draw Energy, nice card, Cosmo, Clay, Mario, Snorunt, Rockruff, Dealing, a reverse holo of a Wishy-Washy, and that's a reverse rare. And the final card is a Wishy-Washy rare and Wishy-Washy holo. Back to back, good hits. Well, at least we got a holo out. That's our first holo throughout the whole booster pack. Just think of that in your mind. Oh shit. Right, at the start we got Dark Energy, Tag Call, Delmice, Chaotic Swell, Alolan Grimer, Slugma, Chimcho, Cosmog, Pancham, a secret rare of Gallade, and that's a secret rare. And the final card is a Lantern, regular rare. So that's another hit. I think technically, even though you get nothing out of it, that's still I think that's still classed as a break card in somewhat. Just a tiny bit. Even though it may not look like it, but you know. Still. Right, at the start we got Water Energy. Oh shit, I put it in the wrong pile. Bisharp, Torkoal, Gloom, T-Pig, Togedemaru, Onyx, Whelmer, Poppatoad, a reverse holo for Blade, and that's a reverse common, apparently. And the final card is a, oh god, Waileran, regular rare. I think that's how you say it. I do not know. Alright, RKS booster packs now. This is our last row of booster packs now. I may have saved best for last. I do not know. Right, at the start we got Dark Energy, Golduck, Will, Mimikyu, Carvana, Chimcho, Azrael, Rowlet, Oddish, a reverse holo of a Litio, and that's a first common, and the final card is a Marshadow, regular rare. Oh shit. There. Everything will be alright. Right, at the start we go Fire Energy, Pangoro, Rapidash, Vibraver, Phantom, Alolan Grimer, Magnemite, Eevee, Flabebe, Alolan Meowth, Lantern. Oh, that was a reverse Meowth. I didn't see the reverse. Reverse Meowth and Lantern, regular rare. Sorry about that, guys. Oh shit. Right, at the start we got Psychic Energy. Toe, I think his name is Fro. Dartrix, Cosmo, Rockruff, Dealing. Oh shit! It's alright. Everything's good. Don't worry about it. Cradley, Tediosa, Golett, Dewpider, a reverse hollow of a Trapinch, and that's a reverse common. And oh shit, the rare. I think I may have showed the last card. Damn it. That was my mistake there, guys. That was actually my my second mistake, apart from my other video where I sprayed cards everywhere, which was not fun. I had to pick them all up. Right, at the start we got Water Energy, Togedemaru, Absol, Flareon, Togedemaru, Trapinch, Flabebe, Tangela, Dusknoll, a reverse hollow of a Ambipom. That's a reverse uncommon, and the final card is a Scoutland hollow. Huh. Second hollow throughout the whole thing. Sorry guys, I got a cold. And as we call it in Britain, we call it man flu. Because now you can hear my voice, and you can hear my voice going, ha 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 ha. I need someone to look after me. Oh shit. It just literally just drop down to my other cards. Right, at the start we've got a Water Energy, Pyroar, Hackmo, Rotom, Rowlet, Lillipup, Squelp, Santa Pikachu, Stuffle, a reverse hollow of a Trapinch, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Lycanroc hollow. Huh. That's neat. I think I pulled them before. There we go. Are you... like, are you serious? Right, at the start we got Grass Energy, Misty and Lore, I don't know how you say a name, Aquanade, Draw Energy, Lillipup, Squelp, Santa Pikachu, Stuffle, Ponyard, a reverse hollow of a Pancham, and that's a reverse common. And the final card is a Komomomo hollow. Huh. I think it's starting to get the hollows now. I think we had enough of GXs. There's nothing wrong with more GXs. Right at the start we got Dark Energy, Professor Oak Setup, Pyroar, Toe, Deerling, Tediosa, Golett, Dewpider, Helioptile or Eel, a reverse hollow of a Rufflet, and that's a reverse common, and the final card is a Swanna, regular rare. Oh no, we've got 3 booster packs left. Come on, give me one more GX. That's all I'm asking for. We haven't even got his secret rare either, which is a bit sad and depressing. At the start we got his Electric Energy, Prinplup, Beastite, Tadpole, Palpitoad, Kricketot, Apom, Rubat, Ducklet, a reverse hollow of a Dusclops, and that's a reverse uncommon, and the final card is a Mimikyu, regular rare. I'm getting a bit worried now. Right, at the start we got Psychic Energy, Guzma and Hola, Larvesta, Anorith, Pancham, Grober, Tangela, Eevee, Dusknoll, a reverse hollow of a Ponyta, reverse hollow, and that's a common, and the final card is a Fione, regular rare. Now, last booster pack. Right, I want you guys to give it last pack magic. Give it a little blow. I think I'll do it. Oh, that's shredded. Shredded like a beast. Please, last pack magic. At the start, we got a Grass Energy, Type Null, Island Challenge Onlet, Erica, Cosmog, Psyduck, Trapinch, Oddish, Rufflet, a reverse holo of a Rockruff, and that's a reverse common. And here's the final card. There could be holo. Alolan Sandslash. Regular. Rare. Well, I'll tell you this now. I had a very fun time opening everything. I don't seem sad or depressed or anything like that. It's just the fact, obviously, you know, shit happens. That's it. Now let's summarize our pulls, and this is our stack. Like, if I get all this off a minute, technically, this is all our pulls. It's that thick. Right, Hackmamo, holo, Wishy-Washy, holo, secret rare, Polysand, reverse holo, Savali GX, Florgus, holo, reverse holo, Lycanroc holo, Scoutland holo, Gallade, secret rare, Wishy-Washy reverse holo, Torkoal, I think it's secret rare. Right, Mega, Lopunny and Jigglypuff GX, and Arceus and Dialga and Palkia GX card. Sunflora reverse, holo reverse. Full art Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff GX. Moldo, holo rare. Yeah, reverse holo. Mimikyu, secret rare. Heliolisk, reverse holo. Flygon GX. Rapidash, reverse holo. Beware, reverse holo. And Reshiram and Zekrom GX. Right, guys, I think it's a good time to end this episode here. So guys, I hope you sincerely enjoyed this video. I want you guys to smash the subscribe button. I want you guys to hit the like button. I want you guys to hit the notifications bell. Click on it so you never miss any other videos I upload. And also as a reminder, remember to enter that code card giveaway. Remember to subscribe, like my video, and comment down below what is your favorite Pokemon. Do that and you are entered in my code card giveaway, and I'll type it in the comments and that. And also for the new people, make sure you click the subscribe button. And guys, like I always say, this is Heg the Noobster signing out.